In the ever-changing landscape of the financial markets, today's updates provide a crucial snapshot of current trends and economic indicators. Attention has focused on the stock market as investors navigate shifts resulting from recent economic data releases. The morning opened with the Dow Jones Industrial Average experiencing a modest rise, driven by strong earnings reports from key companies across multiple sectors. Meanwhile, the S&P 500 showed signs of volatility, oscillating between gains and losses. Sector performance revealed technology stocks gaining traction, buoyed by positive news regarding major tech firms unveiling innovative products. In contrast, energy stocks faced pressure amidst fluctuating oil prices, which have been impacted by geopolitical tensions and changes in supply from major producing countries. As market analysts sift through the data, the impact of inflation remains a central theme. Recent reports indicate a slight uptick in consumer prices, raising concerns about potential Federal Reserve adjustments to interest rates. This environment prompts investors to reassess their strategies, particularly with the looming decisions from policymakers set to address inflationary pressures. In a broader context, international markets are also reacting to various factors. European indices displayed mixed results, influenced by economic growth forecasts and ongoing trade negotiations. Asian markets, buoyed by favorable manufacturing data, showed resilience, highlighting the global interconnectedness of financial trends that can ripple across continents. Corporate earnings season continues to draw attention, as profits exceeding expectations have provided some relief to anxious investors. This surge in corporate performance has been accompanied by strategic mergers and acquisitions, hinting at possible consolidation within industries and fostering optimism for future growth opportunities. Investor sentiment remains cautiously optimistic, even as uncertainties surround economic recovery and inflation rates. As the week progresses, analysts will be closely monitoring upcoming data releases that could significantly influence market trajectories. The uncertainty in the market remains palpable, but for now, cautious optimism prevails among industry experts and investors alike. In conclusion, today's financial updates reflect a complex interplay of factors affecting market dynamics. Keeping an eye on global economic indicators and corporate performance will be vital in navigating this dynamic landscape. As investors digest this information, proactive strategies are essential to harness opportunities and mitigate risks in these fluid market conditions.